QuickPages might seem like the perfect landing page builder at first glance, but there are 12 key things you need to know before making your decision. Stick around until the end because we'll also reveal a better alternative you can try for free. First up, QuickPages offers a user-friendly interface, but it's not as intuitive as competitors like LeadPages or Unbounce. If you're new to landing page software, expect a learning curve. Next thing, the templates look sleek, but customization is limited. Unlike some competitors, you can't tweak every element freely, which could be frustrating if you want a unique look. Third, it does integrate with popular email platforms, but it doesn't support advanced automation tools like ActiveCampaign as smoothly as other builders do. The fourth thing to note is page speed. QuickPages advertises fast-loading pages, but compared to systems like InStagepage, there's a slight lag that could affect conversions. Another point is pricing. While it's marketed as affordable, the costs climb quickly if you need multiple domains or advanced features. You might find better value with platforms like System.io or GetResponse. Next, there's no built-in A/B testing on lower-tier plans. This is a major drawback compared to tools like ClickFunnels, which includes split testing even on entry-level plans. The seventh thing is analytics. QuickPages provides basic stats, but for in-depth insights, you'll need third-party tools. Competitors like Kartra bundle robust analytics directly into their platform. Moving on, support is a mixed bag. While they offer email and chat support, response times can vary. Alternatives like Thrive Architect often get higher marks for customer service. Ninth, QuickPages lacks advanced features like funnel building tools or upsell options. If you're running complex campaigns, other platforms might suit you better. Next thing, mobile optimization is decent, but the lack of granular control can lead to formatting issues. Tools like InStagepage tend to excel in this area. The 11th point is updates. QuickPages doesn't roll out new features as frequently as competitors, meaning you might miss out on innovations available elsewhere. Finally, the pricing structure lacks flexibility. You're locked into tiered plans that may not align with your specific needs, unlike platforms like Builderall that offer custom options. QuickPages is a solid choice for basic landing pages, but if you're looking for something more powerful and flexible, check out our recommended solution. You can even try it for free and see the difference yourself.